Hey there, welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. My name is Scott. We're going to tackle some bugs and kill them with some neem oil. Let's go see how. Alright, well, I've got some problems in my corn. We have some bugs eating the leaves of our corn. I think they're little caterpillars, I'm not sure. But the natural, least toxic and organic way to handle most critters in your garden that are eating your leaves, that are whiteflies, or that are, it even handles some molds and mildews, is neem oil. And you've heard about neem oil if you've been on gardening forums. I use this stuff, Theraneem. I've heard about this from MI Gardener and others online. Good stuff. Actually, the Rusted Gardener talked about this. I'll link to the video in down below. Neem oil is the extract of a South Asian tree, and the best neem oil comes from the seed pods. This particular kind is a cold pressed oil. You don't want to get the hydrophobic extraction. You don't want to get the chemically extracted hydrophobic extract. If it says neem oil extract, it's not really the best stuff. This is actually cold pressed neem oil, the way they make olive oil. They press the plant and they press the oil out of the plant, and that's the stuff you want. It's got a peculiar smell. It's useful for all kinds of things, but we're gonna go kill bugs with it. So let's go see how you mix this stuff up. So here's what I'm doing. I have a quart of water in my my sprayer, 32 ounces. The rate of neem oil is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to do a little bit more than a teaspoon because I need a little bit of, I need some nuclear action here. 1 teaspoon of neem oil per quart, and then 1 teaspoon or so of an emulsifier. Dawn dishwashing detergent works for me. That's to break up the surface tension of the water, to help the oil and the water to mix better. You shake this stuff up as you spray it. And so that's what I'm going to do. Let's put this stuff in here. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon and a little bit more. This will also help the formula, the solution, stick to your plant as well. There we go. Now you want to shake it up so that it gets mixed up. And once you start seeing the separation of the oil and the water, you want to shake it again as you're using it. Let's go to the garden. I'll show you how I'm going to spray this stuff. Now this is Big Joe. Big Joe is Samuel's corn, the biggest one he's named. You can see, well, I guess you can't see, but there you can see it's got some holes in it. We've got some droppings that look like caterpillar droppings. There's probably caterpillars down in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sprayer and I'm going to spray, especially undersides of leaves, all over this corn. And I'm especially going to try to get to the undersurface, because I think that's where the critters live. Getting it down in the crevices too. I want it to cool up in there in case there's any worms living down in there. Now, I like this little sprayer because I can pump it up. I can put just about anything in there. Remember, keep your neem oil shaken, whatever you want to say. Shaken, not stirred. And keep that emulsion, keep that stuff emulsified in there. I'm going to coat all of my plant, and hopefully that'll take care of our critter. You can see this poor corn plant is having a rough time. These are getting eaten alive, so we're going to give them some neem. Thanks for joining us today on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. I'm really glad you stopped by. We really appreciate all the subscriptions that we've received over the past couple of weeks. We're really trying to push for 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize our channel and get some pennies back for the work we do here. And we hope that you'll share our videos, comment on our videos, subscribe to our channel, spread the word around if you're interested in just following our garden or learning some things, and we can garden together. I'm so grateful you stopped by today. Have a good day.